Hello guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about an error that you can encounter in Windows 10 2004 version. So you are connected to the internet, your internet works fine, you can access Google and other websites, but you get a message near your Wi-Fi connection which says no internet access, and this prevents apps like Office, Outlook and other apps from working because you will get the no internet access error. In this video I'm going to show you a very quick and easy solution that you can try in order to fix the problem, and I'm hoping that after watching this video your problem will be fixed. So let's just jump right into it. What you have to do is to go into the search box and type in here regedit and click on registry editor. On user account control, of course, you click on yes. Now you have to go to HKey local machine system, expand everything by clicking on this arrow, then go down a bit where it says current control set, expand that, and then expand services, go down a bit to the N letter, and like that you will find, you can also expand this a bit to see better, and the folder that we need is NLASVC. Make sure this is the right one. Expand this one, expand parameters, and then click on internet. So here in the right side you'll see all the registries that are in this folder. What you have to do is locate enable active probing, expand this a bit to see all the names. If you cannot see them well, right click on this and click on modify, and from the value data 1 put 0 here and then OK. And this is all we had to do. Just exit out from here, restart your system, and the problem should be gone. You now should be able to use Office apps, as I've said, that you couldn't use before because you had that no internet access error on your Wi-Fi. So if this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below of this video, and also subscribe with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads like this one that I'm hoping will help you in the future. I was Emmanuel. Until next time, take care.